Okay, I now have the roof controller, window controller, and accessories controller in the Miata. MX-5 things. I was real slow and careful because I'm paranoid about hurting my brand new car, and it took me about half an hour of dinking around to put the window and accessory controller in today. If I triple click, ding ding, windows go down. If I double click, it takes a minute because it actually turns the car on. Well, the accessories. But the amazing thing about that is, voila, magic. Works like a champ. Now, I'm gonna, oh, did it shut down? Make sure. I'm still new at this and paranoid. All right, here we go. Did I accidentally triple click that? I might have. Okay, that was definitely a double click. Let's see if it actually closes it. Triple click rolls the windows up and down. Double click does this. Ah, it's a thing of beauty. One thing I still have to figure out, nope, it just did it. Notice the windows are closed and the door is locked. Happy, happy, joy, joy. MX-5 things, folks. Make some neat things for your Miata.